Getting a COVID-19 antibody test is as easy as buying it from home. Quest Diagnostics is the latest company selling their version of the test. For $119 and change, you get your blood drawn at a center and get your results in a couple days. But what does an antibody test actually mean? Sacramento County Public Health Director Dr. Peter Bielenson explains there are a lot of unknowns.
Are these tests approved by the FDA?
There's an emergency use application that I think they're mostly approved, but that's sort of the wild, wild west of testing.
Do we know if it's going to actually prevent us or protect us from getting COVID-19?
And for those who do develop antibodies, we don't yet know if they are immune for sure.
Is there the risk that by someone getting this antibody test that they would have a false sense of security?
False positive could be a more significant problem in that you get a positive result, but in fact, you actually don't have antibodies, and so you might be susceptible to the virus if you're out in the community.
On Friday, the World Health Organization cautioned there's currently no evidence that people who have recovered from COVID-19 and have antibodies are protected from a second infection. And in a statement to KCRA3, California health officials said many new COVID-19 antibody tests are being offered, but only few are approved by the FDA. There are still many questions regarding these tests. And even Quest Diagnostics has a disclaimer. At this time, it's unknown how long antibodies persist following infection, and if the presence of antibodies confers protective immunity.
It just seems like there's so many unknowns with antibody testing. Is it even worth spending, for example, the $120 to get the test right now?
I think probably within another month or so, there'll be not widespread availability of the test, but at least a validity of tests.
So there basically are two different methods of antibody testing currently. The first is a rapid test that's similar to an in-home pregnancy test where you prick your finger. Now, health officials are very wary of the accuracy of those tests. However, Quest Diagnostics, you actually go into a center and you get your blood drawn. The company tells us that their accuracy is anywhere from 98 to 99%. But again, we don't yet know if having the antibodies makes you immune to the virus.